Tip Set 5. Analyzing the mass of a model. In this set of tips, you will be shown how to calculate the weight of your car model. Rules state that the total weight of your car, excluding the CO2 gas canister, should be a minimum of 55 grams. Make sure you check the rules before finalizing your design. Step 1. Apply the material to the block. Using the F1 in Schools block. First, you should set the material density so that your block is the standard weight of 112 grams. Right-click the body and select Physical Material. In the Materials library, open the Plastics folder and scroll to find polyurethane foam. Select and drag it to the block. This material will now appear at the top of the Physical Materials window. Right-click it and select Edit. In the Materials editor, select Advanced and then select the Physical tab. In the Mechanical Density section, input the density as 163 grams. Press Enter on the keyboard, press Apply, and Cancel to close the window. Close the Physical Material window. Under the Bodies folder again, right-click your body and select Properties. Here the mass of the body is indicated. The same process can be used to measure the mass of your designed car body. Step 2. Calculating the mass of the other parts of the car. Any other part of your car, for example the 3D printed wings, will need to be done in a similar method. For example, ABS plastic is commonly used in 3D printers. Has a mass of 1060. However, your wing is unlikely to be completely solid when printed, and so it may be significantly lighter than calculated. Sometimes measurements need to be carried out on the physical items also. Before finalizing your model, remember to include the weight of the axles, the tether line guides, and the wheels.